Hey, this is Tracy Lawrence down here on the Red Towel. Don't know where it's been, but it's still pretty cool. Keep it tuned right here to Nikki D TV.
So rumor has it that Tracy Lawrence is here, and we're about to talk to him. And in honor of Tracy, I must stop, drop, and roll.
Stop, drop, and roll before this flame burns out of control.
What's up, Tracy? How's it going?
What's up, Nikki D? How are you, baby?
Just stopping, dropping, rolling on the red towel, the usual.
Very cool. It's good to see you.
It's good to see you. Thanks for joining us.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think of this red towel? Did you expect to be standing on something like this for CRS?
I've never been on anything so elegant in my whole life. Aww. This is class. See what I love about a red towel? There was at one time that I had all burgundy red carpet in my house because I love red wine and I spill things a lot. So the red towel is perfect.
There you go. Well, hey, in honor of the new single, Stop, Drop, and Roll, from the new album coming out, Headlights, Taillights, and Radios. Look for it this summer. Your 13th album.
Is that lucky or unlucky?
I don't know. I was just wondering the same thing.
It's like, you know, 13 was my baseball number in high school, so I always thought 13 was a lucky number. I think this is going to be a big record.
Okay. Well, I mean, that's a lot of records, man.
I know.
And I must say, well, what can we look forward to about this one?
It's young, it's fresh, it's up-tempo, it's got some really cool songs on it, a lot of fun, hip stuff. I think you're going to dig it a lot.
Well, speaking of hip, I am loving this song, Stop, Drop, and Roll. Now, do you have a music video for this?
Not yet. I have a lyric video on the internet right now, but we're working on a treatment for the video, so coming soon to a video channel near you.
Well, how does this sound, Tracy? You are in a fire suit, okay? So then you stop everything you're doing, you slide down the pole, you go save a really hot chick from a burning building, and then you like roll around with her later or something like that.
I like it. I don't think my wife would.
How about your wife stars in your video?
We'll have to talk about that. She's camera shy. She's camera shy.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, I'm just saying, those are Nikki D TV suggestions for your music video.
Well noted. Thank you very much.
So we'll see what happens when that music video comes out, if you actually listen to our ideas or not.
Awesome.
And Tracy, you're on tour right now, right?
I am. I actually leave this afternoon heading to Denver, Colorado, so back out on the road.
All right, so fans can keep up with you on your website, tracylawrence.com.
That's it, and Facebook, and The Real Tracy Lawrence at Twitter. So.
All right, Facebook and Twitter. Find him. He's easy to find. Hey, any final last words on the red towel? This is your chance.
Hey, always stop, drop, and roll, and make sure the door's not hot when you touch it when the house is on fire.
Good deal, Tracy. I like it. Tracy Lawrence, everybody.